love when you're cruising along and you find these great gems. A crane truck, tow truck, drilling truck, don't know what it is, but it's cool. Just had to stop and get it. Take a walk around it. Yeah, when you cruise the highways and byways, you always come across some interesting things. And to me, this is very interesting. It's a big old crane. There's the hook. Seen a lot of work in its day. Old Mack truck. Looks like something right off a movie like Maximum Overdrive, Coming to Get You. See if we can find some interesting features on it. There's a hydraulic pump. Probably for a PTO. Here's where the operator sat. Got his controls. Oh, he sat close to all the cables and the winching. Wow. There's the outriggers, the stabilizers. That was probably the battery box right there. See if we can look in the cab. Plain and simple back then. Awesome. There's some more of the hydraulic pumps. Throttle pedal. Every time I look, I see something interesting, something new. Get a close up of the rear end back here. Some more of the hydraulics. Looks like it was chain driven for the winch.